I'll limit my uh, presentation or talk to radio, and that too specifically with community radio. As my Indian fellow know that we have commercial stations which came in the past 10 years. They are My FM, Big FM and all the Radio City and Mirchi and all that, in which entertainment is the primary objective, and through entertainment they try to grab radio commercials, and that in that way their profit and loss runs basically. Then we have a strong tradition of All India Radio. We have a strong network in our country, and after Rajiv Gandhi's prime ministership, the radio movement took a large stride, and in every city or in major cities, we have either FM stations of All India Radio, relay centers of All India Radio, or own stations of All India Radio. So we have a large network of All India Radio, and in general, they are airing their content for 12 to 18 hours. So a lot of content variety is there, and in that way, I observe that the women participation, women portrayal, their voices, their aspirations, their issues are being addressed to a large extent. And then recently, in the past 7-8 years, we have seen the community radio movement, and that too, the community radio movement or the setting up community radio stations in India. We have large penetration in South, in East, in West, and in the North. But in Eastern states, it is yet to boom. So in that way also, in community radio, they have their own regional languages, they have their own programs, their own reporters. Though in Indian context, the news is not yet cleared for radio. It is only with All India Radio, that is called Akashvani, and they have their regional bulletins, national bulletins, or sports and other bulletins. But in India, we are yet to see the listen to the news through community radio stations. So that is being fight. We are fighting for that, and we think that if print is allowed and television channels are allowed, so why not audio frequencies and radio? So probably within 2-3 years, the radio news, that too in community radio, will be there.